This is the industrial PLC trainer unit, or you can say PLC trainer, and along with this is the working model of RTU. This is a working system which is given along with PLC. You can operate in manual mode as well as auto mode. Auto mode means using PLC. So here, along with this, we have provided two manuals here. One is PLC to SW, it means SW means student workbook, and another is instructor guide, it means IG. In SW, all the experiments including our static application panel and working modules also given inside here. This is a SW. All the procedure for PLC using SCADA software, all these things are given here. For connecting the wiring sequence, it means wiring sequence is given inside SW, and here in IG that particular experiment or program is given, ladder programming is given here in IG, and downloading procedure or software downloading and software installation procedure is given in IG. So here, suppose you want to install or you want to download the program for ladder program for this RTU. So you go to page number 2-22 of IG and follow the procedure for downloading of RTU ladder program into PLC. So here PLC is given, PLC program is given. So after installation of software, actually software installation procedure is already we have discussed in our previous video, which is specially made for industrial PLC trainer. So here click this TIA 15 portal. It will take some time to open. Yeah, then go to here, or you can open existing project also. So existing project, or you can go using this project view. Here follow this procedure which is given in IG. Here then open project. Here then go to project. Here now if your project is not here, yeah, this is a that time you go to browse, otherwise you click here for this project and open. Now project is opening. You can select go to here PLC1, then here program block, here main, here this procedure is given in IG page number 2-22. Yeah, this is the program. Okay, so we want to download this program, so go to download option, download to device. Now compiling and check before. Now load. Now go to load, then finish. So as per procedure, now program is downloaded to your PLC device. So connect all the wiring sequence which is given in manual in SW. So here go to index, here go to index. Yeah, this is a different type of experiments or wiring sequence here. Now we are studying working module with PLC. It means chapter number 4. So go to chapter number 4. Here these are the connections for lift elevator. This is the RTU. So this is a chapter for RTU. This is the Rotary Transfer Unit, RTU. For auto and this is a description fundamental. It means task definition is given here. And here the sequence task for manual mode as well as auto mode. So we will go to study first manual mode, then we will study auto mode. Go to wiring sequence. This is the description, input list of rotary transfer unit. It means here this is the address assignment for PLC. This is input first, second, third. Like this you can use a special it means separate switches or toggle switches for particular operation of that input. So this is given in this input table, input list table, and this is the output list table. Here which output you are using for which purpose, so it is given in this table number 4.2.7. and this is the operational procedure table. It means this is the wiring sequence table, connections chart table for rotary. So procedure is like this. There is a column type separation for each connections. First is simulation extension panel, this another converter distribution panel. Third, there is a PLC resources, how we are using the PLC resources, it is given this in this column. This is the RTU front panel, and this is a power supply panel. So connect as per schedule given here, or wiring sequence schedule. So suppose this is a 24 volt, goes to power supply 24 volt. So it means power supply 24 volt goes to connect to converter distribution panel plus 24 volt tag. Another power supply ground connect to converter distribution panel tag number tag, which is nominated by ground. So this is the connection sequence. And here This is the number of patch cords. This is a working model. It means this is a working concept is given here. So now this is the first panel. This is the power supply panel. This is the another panel. This is the simulation extension panel for digital and analog inputs here, and 2 analog outputs. So this is the outputs. So this is given here. This is the digital inputs, this is the analog inputs, and this is the analog outputs, this tag number. So here we are using 4 digital input. Here by using toggle switch you can change the position on or off. So here on and off is given here. So this is the all are now off condition, and here this is a push to on switch. You can use this switch also, but this works for temporary operation. This is for long time operation. And this is a door switch, doorbell. It means one SAP is given here only for your sample operation. But we have provided 19 SAPs along with this PLC trainer. So this panel is for here also relay simulation extension panel. This panel, this is a PLC, and all the PLC terminals, it means input terminal and output terminal, are brought out on this panel here. These are the input panel and output panel of that particular PLC. These are terminal points brought out on overlay. This is because there is 4 mm patch cords, so you can use easily 4 mm patch cord for operation of that this PLC. That's why we have brought all these connections in the form of 4 mm sockets here. And and as per wiring sequence we have connected all the wiring sequence. Now for first operation, yeah, manual mode. This is a manual mode. For manual mode you can use manual mode, this rotary table position. It means this is a rotary sequence. A, it means 0, 3, 6, 5, C, F, A, 9. This sequence will be changed as per your input, which is given by this toggle switches. You are changing this toggle switches position. It means suppose 1, this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 4, this is a 8. Suppose you want to rotary position number 3, so this is a 1 and 2. So you switch this toggle switches, both toggle switches in on position. That time 3 will be automatically, this table will rotate to 3. Here this is the position here, so that particular position, it means 3 tag number goes to here. It means 3 position goes to here. Yeah, this is a terminal which is goes to sense here. Yeah, this. So this is a manually. Suppose now, but be take care for this terminal. In manual also it is given. This is a 12 number, CDI 12. It should be open. Open means no connections. And for auto operation, it should be connect to positive. It means here positive 24 volt. This is a 24 volt line. So you can connect here for auto, and for manually it should be open. So now this is a, suppose this is a 1, so you just push to, this is the 3 position. So here also your table will be stop at third marking position here. So again second position is suppose 5, so this is the 3 and this is the 4, so it should be this first switch and third switch should be on and this should be off. That time the rotary table is showing 5 terminal, 5 point, yeah. So this is the operation of manual operation of that RTU. Now we are going to study auto mode. Now we are studying the auto mode operation of RTU. That time you connect this CDI input number 12 to 24 volt here, and here set this both switches to manual side, and this platform should be at right side, and by using this another switch number 2, it should be this RTU position should be at 0. This is a 0, so this should be at here 0. Set it to at 0 properly, and then again keep these switches to auto mode. Yeah, now it will be change the RTU position as per manual given. In manual given, yeah, this is a 0, 3, 6, 5, C, F, A, and at last it will be stop at 9. So now this is a 5. After 5 it stop at C. Now it stop at C, then F. Now it stop at F and then A. This is the auto mode. Automatically, yeah, A, and at last 9, and then system will be stopped. Then 9, and now system will be stopped. Yeah, this is the auto operation of RTU.